fellow who went all over the world as part, somebody funded his travels, the Dutch.
They got married in 1856, and let's see, most of what was donated back onto guns. It's about industrialization, and sold it, and it was shopped around a little bit for whatever millions they hoped to get for it, and and it grew the last, if I understand it. Is that getting there? You probably know more than me. His wife is telling him, she says, you know the hard part, there's something you want to see at the metal, and there's something you want to see at the Brooklyn Museum. It's right on the river, but maybe that was our artist. Yeah.
Get cozy, folks. The tour to get back in touch with us. Okay, we're on Nation, and if you look up there, you'll see a cross with gun parts in it on both sides. Below it, the five-sided medallion. The center of it is the cylinder of a 5-shot revolver, which is the main gun that was being manufactured here at the time this was built, 1869. That sponsored the mission to create this congregation. Yeah. Death dealing hardware. Okay. Mike, how much time do we have? About 10, 15. Okay. This place, I often start tours here. Judas got left out, and we got Paul at the stand. For those of you who want to get into the technical stuff, these original windows came from a studio, Henry Sharp, in New York. So these were all done by an English company called We try to tell the whole, actually the whole thing is huge. In the Bible, you can spend your weekend reading that. But Joseph was sold into slavery by his brothers. He ended up in Egypt and rose because he could interpret dreams. And the dream he interpreted predicted a famine, and Pharaoh said, okay, your job is to collect enough food so we don't die, which he did. And he became the most influential and successful person in Egypt. And then during the famine, his brothers went to Egypt looking for food, and he provided it. In spite of the fact that he knew who they were. They didn't know who he was because he was a kid when he was sold off. And continued on with that idea that the obligation of wealthy, powerful people to
Number of snail mail. Next time there's something special here, you'll all hear about it a couple times.